Metamask is a browser extension that makes it easier to access Ethereum's dApp ecosystem. It also functions as a wallet for ERC20 tokens, allowing users to use the wallet for accessing network-based services. Are you unfamiliar with the Metamask wallet? If yes, then we've got everything you need to know about Metamask, from what it is to how to use it. Don't worry, Upstep Financial is here to help, and we have sound advice you can rely on. Please subscribe to the channel and enable notifications to be notified of every upload. Let's get started. CryptoKitties, a popular decentralized application, blew up the Ethereum network in December 2017 with 1.3 million transactions. However, since then, the number of users has plummeted to the hundreds. dApps are simply too complicated to utilize for many consumers on their own. Metamask aims to change that by decreasing the barrier of entry to the fascinating world of dApps and making the decentralized web more accessible to the general public. But what exactly is Metamask? Metamask, which is supported by Ethereum Incubator Consensus, is similar to an editorially independent decrypt. It is a browser plugin that acts as an Ethereum wallet and can be installed in the same way as any other plugin. Metamask allows users to store Ether and other ERC20 tokens and perform transactions to any Ethereum address once it's installed. Users can spend their coins in games, stake tokens in gambling apps, and trade them on decentralized exchanges by connecting to Ethereum-based dApps. It also gives consumers a way into the nascent world of decentralized finance, or DeFi, by allowing them to use DeFi apps like Compound and Pool together. Ethereum has established itself as a reliable blockchain platform for the creation of decentralized finance, or DeFi apps. At the same time, Ethereum is the preferred platform for NFT development, which has exploded in popularity in recent years. The desire for decentralized apps may be demonstrated in the case of CryptoKitties, which caused the Ethereum network to crash. Metamask appears to be a potential solution for users who are having trouble communicating with dApps and tokens on the blockchain. It primarily focuses on lowering the learning curve to the dApps market and presenting the decentralized web to the general public. Though it may appear super sophisticated at first, Metamask is one of the easiest Ethereum wallets and dApp browsers to use and can usually be set up in a matter of minutes. Listen closely, because the next key component in any discussion about the Metamask wallet will guide you in the direction of how it works. Understanding how to utilize a new tool might give you a good idea of how simple it actually is to use. One of the first things you'll notice about Metamask is that it's a more straightforward, decentralized app browser and Ethereum wallet. Most importantly, you'll be surprised to discover how simple it is to set up Metamask in only a few minutes. To use the crypto wallet, all you need is Google Chrome or a Chromium-based browser like Firefox or Brave. Let's take a look at the key steps that will help you learn the fundamentals of using Metamask efficiently. Downloading Metamask is the first step. To download Metamask, you can go to the official website, which supports 3 major operating systems: Android, iOS, and Windows. Depending on your browser, you'll need to download the Metamask Firefox or Chrome extension. You can use the crypto wallet on either a desktop or mobile device, depending on your preference. The Metamask download procedure is practically identical for all supported browsers, making installation easier. After you've installed the Metamask Chrome or Firefox extension, you'll need to figure out how to make your wallet. After you've installed Metamask, you'll get a splash screen that welcomes you to the platform. Find the Get Started button and click it to begin the Metamask wallet creation process. All you have to do is hit the Create a Wallet option that appears after you select Get Started. You'll also notice prompts asking users whether they want to help improve the site. You can go ahead and choose No Thanks or I Agree. Now you can see how simple and flexible it is to set up Metamask. After you've installed the Metamask Firefox or Chrome extension, the next step is to create a password. You must choose a strong password that is at least 8 characters long. Make sure you've chosen a password that is distinct and difficult to guess. We recommend a combination of numbers, upper and lowercase letters, and symbols when creating a password for Metamask. Re-enter your password in the appropriate section and then read the terms of use by clicking the link. After you've finished reading the terms of use, simply click Create to create your password. You'll get a 12-word backup phrase once you've established the password for your Metamask wallet. The backup phrase is extremely important for accessing your wallet funds, and you should write it down exactly as it appears on the screen. If you lose access, the backup phrase will help you restore your crypto wallet. For your protection, store your backup phrase in a secure place. To keep your personal data safe, don't tell anyone your backup phrase and keep the 12-word phrase a secret. After you've written down the backup phrase, press the Next button. In the next screen, you will confirm the backup phrase. Then, you'll type in the backup phrase in the same order as the previous screen. After you've input the phrase, click Confirm to finish setting up. I hope you're learning a lot so far. Keep watching. You can count on us. If you have any clarifications or video suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below and hit that thumbs up button. Let's continue with our discussion. After you've installed Metamask, you'll need to learn how to use it. You won't find any complicated instructions on how to utilize Metamask. Basic features of the wallet include the Assets page, which allows you to find a list of your assets. Additionally, the Activity page can be used to review your transaction history. Another appealing feature of the Metamask wallet is that it makes transactions easier. To send transactions, input the recipient's address and the amount you wish to send, as well as a transaction fee, and then click Send. Users can also manually alter the transaction charge using information from ETH gas station or equivalent platforms. On the following page, after clicking Next, you will have the option of confirming or rejecting the transaction. The next and most well-known Metamask application is for integrating with dApps or smart contracts. On the decentralized app platform you want to utilize, select the Connect to Wallet button or a similar option. After making your selection, you'll be presented with a window asking for permission to link the dApp to your wallet. A decentralized program can see your public addresses if you connect with it. However, they are unable to gain access to your funds. dApps link to the Metamask wallet automatically, ensuring a simple connecting process. Now let's talk about additional features of the Metamask extension. Metamask makes Ethereum transactions easier in general. Users may send and receive transactions with only a few mouse clicks, but below are some additional functions. The first feature is the ability to adjust gas fees. Unlike Argent Wallet and other Ethereum wallets, which aim to abstract user complications like gas fees to the greatest extent possible, Metamask allows users to adjust fees based on transaction urgency. The wallet also allows users to access advanced functionality, such as setting granular gas fees and prices. Let's now discuss its privacy controls and multiple account features. Metamask just implemented support for multiple accounts. You can choose one or more accounts to associate with a website when you connect to it, or you can establish a new account exclusively for that site. You control what information each site gets access to. By opening the menu, you can create new accounts. It only takes a second, and each new account is linked to the same seed, so you won't have to remember a new seed phrase each time. Hardware wallet integrations are also available in Metamask. If you wind up with a large amount of money in your Metamask wallet and wish to improve your security, Metamask now supports several industry-leading hardware wallets, including Ledger and Trezor. This allows you to use Metamask's interface to engage with DeFi applications while keeping your private keys offline in your hardware wallet. It has a large number of supported networks to choose from. Users can communicate with several Ethereum networks, including the primary public Ethereum network mainnet, Ropsten, Kovan, Rinkeby, and Gurley test networks, as well as a local node or a custom RPC, while solely limited to Ethereum. As a result, this feature is more developer-oriented than end-user-oriented, and the bulk of Metamask users will not need it. Don't forget that Metamask is also available as a mobile app. The Metamask mobile app makes it simple to engage with blockchain-based applications while maintaining the security and simplicity that has made Metamask the most trusted Ethereum wallet. Metamask users can now view and trade digital assets on the go, manage crypto loans and balances, play blockchain-based games, sign messages, send transactions, and store non-fungible tokens, which can represent proof of ownership, membership, or unique art and collectibles, all after downloading the app. Without a doubt, Metamask is the most popular Ethereum wallet on the market today. We can expect Metamask to continue to gain support from the crypto community with the release of Metamask Mobile. Are you willing to give it a shot? What are your impressions of Metamask? That's all we've got for today, folks. If you liked our video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And for more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you will not miss any of our videos in the future. Thank you for watching this video. This is Upstep Financial, and we hope to see you again soon.